Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the screen, today we're going to paint these beautiful puppies. Without wasting any time, let's dive in. As always, I start with sketching, like positioning the flowers, because that helps me to paint it better. For preparing the background, start by mixing soft green base using light green and yellow. Add a little bit of white to soften the tone. With a flat brush, cover the canvas using horizontal and diagonal strokes for an abstract blurry background. Blend darker greens or a hint of burnt umber to create the depth. Painting the pups. For the petals, mix red and crimson to achieve a deep and rich color. To add the highlights, and white. Use red and white to add the highlights and dimension. Focus on the edges and the areas. I'm using green to add final details. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.